Hi everyone, in this video I will be talking about a serendipity drug called penicillin. So, in 1928, which makes this year the 90th anniversary of the discovery of penicillin, the Scottish bacteriologist Alexander Fleming accidentally discovered an important antibiotic that is known as penicillin. It was just a normal day for Alexander. After getting back from his 2-week vacation, unknowingly, he discovered something that could save a lot of people. In the forgotten culture plate with contaminated Staphylococcus, he found a green mold called Penicillium notatum. He found that this mold was killing some of the bacteria. Fleming decided, hey, let's give this a whirl and see where this takes us. He conducted an experiment on how this mold works and how much bacteria it could kill. He did this by isolating the mold and grew more of it and found out that it kills lots and lots of bacteria. Penicillin does this by stopping new bacterial growth, which prevents forming new cell walls. The molecular formula for penicillin is C16H18N2O4S. Penicillin has 3 chiral centers and 3 functional groups. The 3 functional groups are the amide group. This is the carbonyl group attached to a nitrogen atom. Amides are obtained from carboxylic acid and an amine. Secondly, carboxylic acid group. This is a class of organic compounds where carbon is bonded to an oxygen by a double bond and to a hydroxyl group by a single bond. Lastly, the benzene group. This can also be known as the phenyl group, as they both have similar structures if you remove a hydrogen atom from benzene. Penicillin is a fast-acting antibiotic that kills lots of bacteria in the body. You might be wondering, what is penicillin? How does it work? And what it is used to treat for? These are some of the examples that we found. Staphylococcus and Streptococcus. This is a skin infection, or this is where bacteria invades the bloodstream that can lead to blood poisoning. Respiratory diphtheria. This is the inflammation in the mucus of the throat membrane, which stops a person to breathe and swallow. Meningitis is a bacterial infection which causes the inflammation of the meninges, which are the dura mater, arachnoid, and the pia mater. These are the 3 membranes that envelope the brain and the spinal cord. Lastly, gonorrhea. This is a sexually transmitted disease that causes discharge from the urethra or vagina. So how does penicillin work? Well, penicillin G can only be injected into a vein or a muscle for it to be consumed in the body. The cell wall of the bacteria divides and weakens after it is interfered with the synthesis of the peptidoglycan that can lead to cell death. Similar to other drugs, penicillin has some side effects. These are fever, problems with urination, seizures, agitation, and the worst of all, diarrhea. There are also other uses for penicillin, which is during surgery, this prevents the patient to get a heart condition or getting an infection in the valves of the heart.